We're starting shore power cable failure part 3. This one gets exciting because I start going into the actual power cable of the boat from the shore power connector. Stay tuned. Today I've decided it's time to actually do part 3 of power cable failure. This is the little new one. I had to come out. I was just testing how bad the screws were when I unscrewed this, and sure enough, here's the old one. There's the guts of the old one, all burned up and melted and crap. I've got to take this stuff off, and we're going to finish the job. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Just got to clamp you to the railing. Okay, that's pretty good right there. Okay. So, I need a new screwdriver. Okay. It is time for a discussion. This video is going to show me working on the shore power inside the boat. Before it was the cable. The cables are fairly standard. If you are not comfortable doing your own work, hire somebody who knows what they're doing, or someone who's well trained in this. The problem is you could burn your boat down, you could kill yourself, you can hurt your dock, put it on fire, destroy your marina. So this is not good stuff to practice on if you don't know what you're doing. People who's always losing screwdrivers have no idea why or where. So, boat's bouncing, I'm on the dock. Let's release this one. You'll see me doing things with the wires that you can't really see on camera. Part of it is because the camera and where I didn't feel comfortable putting other cameras out on the deck, and the boat was moving around in the water. I know what I'm doing. I used to be a professional electronic technician, electrical technician, electronics engineer. So this is stuff I've worked on in the past. It's not a big deal to me. Safety is always first, second, and third. You didn't see me, but I unplugged shore power before testing. And if I felt uncomfortable, I would stop, review, look at everything again, and then start again. So these are important things. Mainly is you need to know how to do this if you own your own boat. because you may be in a situation where there's nobody around and you have to do the work.
The shell has to go in there. And it happened. Okay, so the trick to this one, open it. Inside you have to turn the plug itself. And then it comes out. These are rough. Okay, one of the issues we had was I dropped my digital voice recorder in the drink. So we're relying on GoPro for our noise. Okay, right now I have it wired wrong. Oh. Okay, damn boats were floating away from me. Okay, that's supposed to be black. White goes here. So we're going to live with crappy connections until I replace that cable soon. Okay. Black goes there. Had to go making sure I had the black and the white in the right holes. Don't you do that to me. Try this again. Sometimes it just takes a couple tries to realize that you're doing it wrong, and then you're doing it right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here and disconnect shore power. Then I'm going to plug it in and see if it smokes. If it smokes, I got a problem. If it doesn't smoke, I can finish buttoning it up. Disconnected. Connected. See a problem. Black is sticking up a bit. It's not over here. Nope, that's not good. Now I got a problem. I got a panel problem somewhere. Okay. So what we do is we wrap this. We're going to finish this by taking it apart. And so ends part 3 of power cable failure. This one I'm just going to clean up and put stuff away. I left that one leg off because in case somebody comes by and decides to be helpful and plug me in, it won't cause a problem. We know the one leg is good, the other one is bad, and that's going to take some troubleshooting. So, new one, old one.